I've made a video on this before, but I just wanted to do it again as I made another post on it today on Twitter. Just a reminder, because we're still following that exact schematic that I was predicting a few weeks ago. That was that post where I put it right next to each other and people were like, oh no, it'd be such a shame to go down to $10 again. Louis is going to happen before June, July. And all I was trying to do was show you that the moves are like for like and that we're well on the way to completing it, which will take us to around a $40, I think, $30 to $40 price target. I'm going to go more in detail into that today. So make sure you stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. We're trying to hit 10K subs as quick as possible. And yeah, share this Trias content to your communities. We get a lot of views and engagement over on Twitter, but not as much over here. We really need to improve that. So yeah, literally just copied and pasted it, but condensed it a little bit. And then you can see if I put it on top, if I just get rid of this for now, you can see that it's just a rough guide, but it's pretty much all it's trying to show you is that the moves from this past correction are exactly the same as this current one. And where we are currently today, right over here, that would be right over here. So as you can see, we had this inverse head and shoulders, followed by a move up, inverse head and shoulders, followed by a move up. Then we corrected, went up, corrected. So we are in this process right now. This area is this area over here. See the head and shoulders here, that's this. And then the second area is there. So we're just waiting for that Mainnet, people. You know, that's going to be the announcement that's going to rocket this pretty much. We need yeah, that's pretty much what it will be, to be honest. Even though we had some bearish CPI data, it doesn't throw me off. I'm expecting higher on Bitcoin. You know, we just broke the all-time high. We're expecting higher. We're in clear as day in a bullish breakout on Bitcoin, but also on Trias. And it's just simply consolidating, guys. Nothing more that we can do. I know it's so very annoying, but were you here? Are you just new to Trias and you're getting impatient? Or have you been here for a while? Because this is not even the true Trias chart. If you want me to go over to KuCoin, look how dirty this range was. If we go from $4, $5, yeah, fair enough. Just this. But, you know, we were in it before $4, $5. So we can see it was hell. And I was making videos down here, very boring, you know, not gaining traction, because who wants to listen to some crazy guy calling for a $15, $16, $17 Trias and then the all-time high after, when we're stuck underneath $4, $5, when we're down at $2.50, when we're down at $3.50. Why would you want to listen to a guy calling for 15? But the moment we broke out of $5, what happened? 15. So it's just about being patient. It's literally this thing over here. Again, I'll show you. This is a different chart. I was on the MEXC one, but it's pretty much this, followed by the move up. And then this area is what we're doing right now over here. Inverse head and shoulders is here. But yeah, I was just on a new chart because it was cleaner. So I'm going to go back to it. And I had the copy paste thing on it already. But yeah, it's just mirroring the same correction. It was boring down over here. You saw it was literally there for a whole year. And this time it's going to be a lot quicker. Don't you worry. It won't take a whole year to get out of this. We're just simply waiting for the completion, you know, of this back test. However, we're going to draw the line like this, like this. I don't like doing that. I just want to show you that it's literally move for move exactly the same in this area, and even prior of the inverse head and shoulders. So we've had this move down, which was here, and then we've had the pump, which is the move back up, and then we're just consolidating. It's literally move for move. You even had a sharp dump here. You had the sharp dump here to retest this line, which is exactly that retest there. So yeah, it's beautiful that it's following exactly. There are exciting times ahead, but the main levels that I want to see broken, and it's going to be dependent on the exchange that you're using. I'm going to actually revert back to the KuCoin one. And the two levels that I want to see being broken with daily candle closes. I know we had one here, but the next day we need to follow through, or you just need to hold it as support. It didn't do so. So we need a break and retest, or break and then a break. So for now, main levels that we're focused on, 1740, 1869. Once they have been bust through, we're expecting 20, then 25.26, the second top, and then the all-time high, $32. Those two tops from, yeah, the second top here, 26, and then the true top there, 32. And then we've also got targets beyond that point already due to this dump from 1740 to 920. It's giving us the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is actually suggesting that from this point over here, when we rejected the 786, we should put in a new low. That is not what happened. That is why it's taking so long, because the process of changing what should happen to something else means that we need to consolidate and accumulate where we're meant to be dumping from, but now as support. So from here, we're expecting the continuation and a new all-time high eventually. Like, subscribe, comment and share so we can hit 10k subscribers as quick as possible. If you want to get into the community, we have multiple other projects. Even since February the 1st, we have a project that has done a 10x in 1 month. If you want to jump in, I do live streams. I support you morning, day, night, every single day, including weekends. 2 live streams a week. My buy alerts, my trades, my portfolio. Ask me anything in there. Learn as much as possible. I have 6-figure, 7-figure traders you can learn from in there. They've got yellow names. And that is it from me today. Links down below. Cheers.